Welcome back to my channel Tech Titan Reviews. The PlayStation 5 Pro has set the gaming world abuzz with anticipation. As rumors and leaks continue to emerge, the excitement among gamers is palpable. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the latest information about the PS5 Pro, exploring its potential specifications, release date, and the broad impact it could have on the gaming landscape. With the next-gen console wars heating up, the PS5 Pro is poised to make a significant splash. The CPU and GPU powerhouse, the heart of the PS5 Pro, is rumored to be a cutting-edge 4 and 8-core Zen 2 CPU, paired with a GPU featuring up to 60 compute units of RDNA 3 architecture. Memory and storage enhancements. The PS5 Pro is speculated to come with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, clocked at an impressive 18 GB. This choice of memory, potentially manufactured by industry giants like Micron and Samsung, indicates Sony's focus on balancing performance with affordability. Embracing the digital-only model. One of the most intriguing rumors is that the PS5 Pro might launch without a disk drive, priced at $499. This digital-only model would follow the footsteps of the existing £5 digital edition, albeit with a $50 price increase. Optional disk drive for flexibility to cater to gamers who still prefer physical media. Sony might offer a separate disk drive, priced between $50 and $100. Graphics capabilities. The PS5 Pro's GPU is expected to feature 56 compute units and 16 GB of GDDR6 memory on a 256-bit bus. While this might not represent a dramatic shift to 8K gaming, it promises smoother frame rates at existing resolutions, such as 60 frames per second at 4K. This focus on consistent high-end performance could enhance the gaming experience significantly. Processing power and efficiency. Built on a more advanced 4 process, potentially based on AMD's Zen 4 architecture, the PS5 Pro's 8-core CPU could offer substantial processing power. Compatibility with existing games. One of the key selling points of the £5 Pro could be its backward compatibility. Gamers upgrading from the £5 digital edition might not need to purchase a new disk drive, thanks to the potential compatibility with a detachable disk drive. This seamless transition could make the upgrade more appealing and cost-effective. Preparing for future gaming trends. While 8K gaming remains a niche market due to the high cost of compatible TVs, the PS5 Pro's architecture could lay the groundwork for future advancements. In conclusion, the PlayStation 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of next-gen consoles. With its advanced CPU and GPU, enhanced memory, and potential for a digital-only model, the PS5 Pro could redefine high-end gaming. While the exact details are still shrouded in mystery, the anticipation and excitement are undeniable. As we await more official information, one thing is clear: the PS5 Pro is poised to make a lasting impact on the gaming industry. Whether it's the advanced hardware, strategic pricing, or digital-only approach, the PS5 Pro represents a bold step forward for Sony. Stay tuned for more updates and prepare to embark on a new era of gaming with the PlayStation 5 Pro.